Hey guys, today we are going to show you how to make a video game with Bloxels. I have some students here with me. You guys want to say hi?
Hi. Hello.
Hello. No, that was me. That wasn't a student. Anyway, so here you see on the screen, this is a game that I'm working on right now, but we're going to take it a step back from here and take it from the top. We're going to go back to the very beginning and show you how to make a fabulous game so that someday you can make a game like this. So let's hit the hamburger. That's the little button in the corner. Now you see some different options here. This is your home screen. You have home, which is home. That's where you start playing the game. Game builder, featured, that's where they feature certain content. Settings, infinity wall, that's where our games are published and where you can publish your boards and animations. And then poultry panic and news. So let's first go home. And I'm doing this on my iPad, which I am mirroring with the screen. So I'm going to hit the X. From here, you start learning how to build your own game by playing a game. I would recommend starting your Bloxels journey here. So from here, just capture your own hero. You can choose a different hero or just start by running around. You have the left and right arrow keys to run left and right. B is jump, and then A is your attack. What we're going to do is, with our physical Bloxel board, we're going to create the board that will then be this level. I hit the camera button. All right, now we're going to put the Bloxel bits in the board. So let's do it now. All right, so we have the green Bloxels, which are, what guys? What's the green?
Terrain or ground.
Terrain or ground. We have the purple, which are bad guys, the enemies. The red is lava.
Or hydrant.
Yes. Yellow is coins. Blue is water. Orange is exploding blocks. And then white is checkpoints, like little information things. So here's our layout. Now I can get through this level. After you get through most of the mini game in the beginning of the game, which is where we are now, which is home, we're going to show you how to do some other things in Bloxels, such as create your own game. Here we're going to hit the hamburger in the corner of the screen. Then we go to Game Builder. Now in Game Builder, we hit Build a New Game. So I have a new game here. And you see my game is just one board in the middle of a bunch of other boards. If I hit the green arrow for play, I can try my game. Here it starts very basic. It's just one strip of green Bloxels, and then I fall, and then I explode because that's all that's left. So now I can go to layout and change the layout. From here I can either change the layout on my physical Bloxels board, or I can do it here with the Bloxels provided. Let's add some green blocks. Let's add some red for lava. Let's add some coins. And let's add an enemy at the top. Now let's see what it looks like by hitting the play button. Let's try it out. Here I am. Ow, lava, ow, I exploded. So maybe we can add another block there so that our gamers can get over the lava. Well, that's not going to work if I'm stuck. Let's give that another try. Let's put it over here. Give it a try. Jump, jump. Now I can jump up here, jump over the lava, get the coins, and then fall into infinity. So, if I want to decorate my level, I click Decorate, and then from here I can choose from boards that I've created, animations that I've created, not that one, just as an example. Here we can do this as the lava. And that'll work for now. And then I want to make the bad guy a bad guy. I hit decorate, animations. Let's make him the chicken king. Here, the ground is too busy. Let's change that. Let's make that green. That looks better. Less headachy. Alright, hit the window, or I hit the background button to choose a background that I created. Now I want to change the ground. That doesn't really match now. Let's see. Let's just try the bricks that Dom of 6th grade created. Shout out to Dom. Hi, Dom.
Hello.
These are your bricks. All right, now let's give it a shot.